Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make tandoori chicken with rice. You will need ginger garlic mix, fresh coriander, chopped red onion, some chopped mushrooms and some sliced tomatoes. You will also need a mixture of coriander powder, cumin powder and curry powder, some oil and tomato puree. Also you need the tandoori mixture, which is tandoori masala, turmeric powder, salt and pepper mix, chili powder and paprika powder. Again, you want to mix them until you get a consistency and it's all equally mixed until it's like that. That's your garlic and ginger and just your finely chopped coriander. What you want to do is first 500 grams of chopped chicken. You want to add in the ingredients of the tomatoes, the mushroom and the onions. You want to sprinkle over your oil. You want to add your coriander leaves. Then you'd want to put in two teaspoons of your garlic and ginger mix. You can add more if you'd like. I do prefer a bit more myself. Now you want to add your mixture evenly and mix in all those ingredients into the chicken and your mushrooms and your tomatoes and onions. You don't want to add your coriander and cumin and curry powder mix until after this is marinated. So I will mix it all together and then come back and then we will go on to marinating the chicken tandoori. Once you've mixed your mixture of your chicken, your mushrooms, your tomatoes and your onions, you want to add the tomato puree as well before you mix it. I forgot to mention that. Once you've done that and you have got it all mixed up, then you're ready to marinate it in the fridge. I'd say an hour. You can leave it longer if you want, but an hour would do it. And we'll come back to once we've marinated it and get on to cooking it. Once your tandoori chicken's marinated, you can place it into a dish appropriate to go into the oven. With this one I'm going to be using the tin foil. This one has a lid. I do like to put some green chilies. You don't have to. I do like my green chilies. And then just a little sprinkle of the garlic and ginger mix. And then now just at the top you want to sprinkle slightly over just the top part of your cumin, coriander and curry powder mix, just to finish off some of those flavours. Preheat your oven before you place it in. I've already preheated mine. You want it on between 180 and 200, and you'll want, after about 15 minutes, you want to check on it, stir it, and then put it back in for another 15 minutes before adding your rice. We will come back in 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you want to take them out and you want to give them a good stir, and then put them back in for another 15 minutes, and then we'll add the rice. We'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay, after 30 minutes in total now, you've had it 15 minutes, and then you've stirred it, and then you've given it another further 15 minutes. Cooking times may vary depending on the thickness of your chicken. You're ready to add your rice. I prefer to use Uncle Ben's long grain rice with no flavours, as opposed to a pilau rice. You want to give that a good stir. Breaking up any of the rice pieces. As you can see, I didn't microwave the rice or anything like that. It will cook really nicely in here. Once you've done that, you want to place it back in the oven for a further 10 minutes, and then you will be good to serve and eat. We will come back in 10 minutes. Thank you. Oh, and always, please like and subscribe to my channel to keep notifications of any new foods I upload for you. And as always, be safe and enjoy, and thank you.